Here's how I was able to build a eight-figure coaching business in just 2 years at the age of 23. And no, my parents aren't rich, and no, I don't have any big audience. No, I don't have any followers. No, I don't have any lot of subscribers. No, my reels doesn't go in millions of views. But still, I was able to do this is because I had one system which I was repeatedly and consistently repeating in my business again and again, which was able to make me very good money. Now this is the exact thing which has helped me so far, and most of the coaches waste their 3 to 5 years behind this. It is like running behind followers, chasing people in DMs, and boosting post and whatnot, using different funnels. But today in this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the exact things that has helped me, and I'm going to break a lot of myths that you have in your mind, which is costing you a lot of time to reach to this level. All right. So before we get started, I really want to tell you that stay till the end, because this is something which is the actual blueprint you will be needing. All right. So the first thing that you should be focusing on is having a high ticket offer. No, you don't need a low ticket offer L1, L2, L3, L4, L5, L6, L7. You don't need that shit. You need one high ticket irresistible offer, and you just have to sell that one single offer till you are going to make this 1 CR in your business. Now, it may sound that how can I make this happen, like how can I scale some offer which I'm going to make 1 CR through this one single offer, right? And it may sound very overwhelming. It may sound that it's practically not possible, but believe me, I have did this over times, right? So what you have to do is you have to create an offer which is worth 30 to 50,000 rupees at least, bare minimum, and you have to get started by just focusing on this offer. All right, the next thing that we have is have a simple client acquisition system. Now there are people who might have told you that use this funnel, that funnel, like challenge funnel, webinar funnel, VSL funnel, high ticket offer funnel, low ticket offer funnel, L1, L2, L3, L4, L5, L6, DM funnel. There are lots and lots and lots of funnels. Someone might have told you that, just write a book and then start selling it, only then you will be able to close high ticket. And I don't understand where these people come from, but you just need one single system which will help you get consistent appointments, so that you book this consistent appointments and close these high ticket clients. And that is the only thing that you require in your business till you make 1 CR, your first 1 CR. Believe me, you are on the right path. The next thing that you need is having your math right. And this is like so important that you have your math right, is because people doesn't know how much sales they need to hit their target. People just think about, I want to make, somehow I want to make 10,000, like 1 lakh rupees for an example in a month. When I ask them that how many clients you will be able to, you will be needing to close high this 1 lakh rupees revenue in your business, and they don't have any answer. And the reason behind they don't have any answer is they are so much attached to the outcome that they have forgot that they have to put some input in order to get that output, right? So it is very much important that you have a proper math, a proper calculation in your business, so that you understand that okay, this many clients if I close, then I'll be having this kind of revenue. Now to get those clients, just reverse engineer everything. To get those kind of clients, how many calls I'll have to go on, how many appointments I'll have to book in order to get successful calls. Do this math for your business. You know your numbers, you have to know your numbers. Do this math in your business, and then you will be able to know that how are you going to strategically go ahead in your business. The last, and which is the most important thing that I have learned in this year, which has costed me more than 30 40 lakh rupees, but this is something that I'm telling you from my heart. never ever skip on any shiny object that you see or shiny methodology that you see, and then you try to implement that in your business. Just use one thing that is working for you and just repeatedly focus on that one thing and keep doing it. Last year, that is like this student in 2025 in July, I started trying something new which costed me a lot, and I really don't want you to do that in 2026. So that is the reason why I'm telling you. It has made more than 1.2 cr in my business. I have made using just one system, and that one system is more than enough for you to implement it right away and get the results that I'm today showing you. So I really want you to focus on one system, create one system, and just repeatedly hit on it, hit on it, hit on it every single day. All right. Now, before I end this video, I really want you to know that like it might be bit hard for you, but I'm telling this today that when it comes to actually building something, it's not about jumping on strategies or jumping on other brands or reels or something like that. It's about the consistency that you have in your business. Consistency will always beat the talent, and I really want you to have a clarity in your mind and create that consistent momentum in your business so that you will be able to get a lot ahead than other coaches. Now, this video, I really want you to show it to your friend who is struggling in their coaching business, and you want them to grow in your coaching in their coaching business in 2026, and you also really want to grow in 2026. I am going to create a series of answers for the questions that I have asked, like people have asked to me in the comment section. So if you have any questions, please put out the comment in the comment box, and I'll try to answer that in the next video.